As we go through this process, we're learning more and more about how we can better defend Guam and the region. As we've been doing the research for the permanent long-term solution for 360-degree defense of the island from multiple threats, we've also learned that there are some ways we can optimize some of the systems that we currently have.
In a PSA video release that went out last week Friday, Commander of Joint Region Marianas Rear Admiral Benjamin Nicholson talked about plans on moving the Terminal High Altitude Area Defense Battery, also known as the THAAD. In a roundtable meeting held earlier today at JRM HQ, the Rear Admiral shared the decision to move the THAAD battery from Andersen Air Force Base to somewhere in the South Finagayan area was made to better protect Guam and the region from adversaries should they attempt the missile launch. The defensive equipment is planned to be moved from the military bases to other Department of Defense properties. Rear Admiral Nicholson assures island residents there is no need for concern, as the moving of the defensive assets are just a precautionary measure.
All of this is part of our long-term efforts to better defend our homeland. So anything that we do in the coming weeks or months is not necessarily tied to anything a particular bad actor or adversary in the region has done.
The Rear Admiral said that only DoD property will be used to house the THAAD battery. The equipment move was planned in conjunction with the Governor, National Guard, and the Dedido Mayor. Operation Valiant Shield will also be happening in the coming months, and much of this exercise will be happening on Guam. Again, the moving of the THAAD system around the island is just precautionary, and it's also a way to better protect Guam by placing it in strategic locations around the island. Daniel Perez reporting for KUAM News.